This is a very common grade 9 math problem, but it's also somewhat common in advanced functions I've seen. So you need to determine an equation of a line, y equals mx plus b, between 2 points, right? A and b. The common approach that most students take is they label point A x1, y1, they label B x2, y2, they calculate the slope. Okay, so the slope would be y2 take away y1 over x2 take away x1. They plug in the values. Okay, so y2 is obviously 10. So it's 10 minus 6, that's y1, divided by 6 minus 2. They get a slope of 1. Nothing wrong with that. And then what they do is they plug in that slope into this equation. So they say, okay, it's 1x plus b. And now all they have to do to get the final answer is find what this b is. And that's not a problem. You have 2 points, right? 2 options for an x and a y. Okay, so I have an x of 2 and a y of 6 in point A. So you can just say, all right, 6 equals 2 plus b. That means that b should be 4, and then I've got my equation, right? It's x plus 4. And there you go. There's your equation of the line. It's all done. There's nothing wrong with this approach, and it works perfectly well. There's also a nice, sleek way of doing this that I do want to show in case you're interested. Okay, so again, I want to find the equation of a line mx plus b. I had a point A, 2, 6, and I had a point B, 6, 10. And I can draw a line between these 2 points. This is A, and it is B. Okay, but I can also draw a third point. Okay, this third point is x, y. It's 2 unknowns. And this third point will also lie on the line, right? X, y. If they all lie on a line, what can I say about these 3 points? Well, if they all lie on a line, the slope between AB should be the same slope as the slope between AC, right? The slope between AB and the slope between AC should be the same. It's one line, the slope is constant. So I can also say MAC equals MAB. And this is the critical step. Knowing that this is true can help you get to the answer as well. So what does that mean? If I set up a slope between A and C, between these 2 points, if I set up that slope, what would that look like? That would be y take away 6 divided by x take away 2. I'm just using that x2, x1, y2, y1. The slope between A, B, I already know, right? I already know the slope between A and B. I just found it. It's 1. Okay, and you can do the same process, y2 minus y1 if you'd like. So with that said, I've got this equation now. Great. Multiply both sides by x minus 2, and you get y minus 6 equals x minus 2. Add 6 to both sides. 6's will cancel. You will get y equals x plus 4. Okay, so that is another way that you can get your equation of a line given 2 points. Draw a random third point, C, calculate both slopes between AC, AB, equate them, solve for y in terms of x, and you got your answer. Okay, that makes a 2-step problem into a 1-step problem. Some people prefer the 2-step that I showed earlier. Okay, some people prefer this step, and there's nothing wrong with that. I personally like this 1-step concept because it sort of draws together this idea that these 2 slopes are identical, and then you get your answer. Okay, so hope that was helpful. If you guys did like this video, it would really mean a lot to us if you supported us with a like. Leave a comment to tell us what you thought about this video, and share this video for those that are interested, for those that are in the relevant courses in math, grade 9, maybe all the way through grade 12. Thanks so much, and have a good day.